Okay, good morning everyone. It is 6:30 in the morning and I woke up to get in my shower and I had ice cold water in my shower. So I went downstairs, checked the water heater, looked fine, came back upstairs, looked at the tankless, and here's the problem. It's flashing 99, which means that there is something stuck in the exhaust. So two things: we're going to check the exhaust, and the second thing is we're going to reset the water heater, and I'm going to show you how to do that. The first thing we have to do to reset the control is to take this front cover off. So there's 4 screws. There's one up here, one here, and one here, and we'll take that off. Strike that. There's actually 6 screws, and there's 2 more down here, which I forgot about. So what we have to do is we have to hold this min and max buttons down and then reset this second one right here, lifting it up until we see that say UL. Once it says UL, then we can release and put it back, and it should reset. Okay, so that error 99 code, what that means is that there's some sort of blockage in the vent. So I took the vent off, and sure enough, it was full of water. And when I removed it, it got removed from the vent stack. How about that? I don't know if you can see that, but this piece is just sitting there. So that wasn't glued on very well. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna drill some weeping holes into the bottom right here, and we'll drill one at that 45-degree angle up there to not allow water to maintain in there. And we also need to clean out this, but okay. Okay, now that we got the vent exhaust reset, that's all plumbed in there. We drilled weeping holes, one underneath here and then one up there. That's in now, nice and tight. Now we're gonna go down and reset, and hopefully that'll do the trick. Okay, so after cleaning out the vent and resetting, we're back at 120. Gonna put the cover back on now, and we should have hot water. Okay, cover's back on. Our 6 screws, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And we reset the vent. The weeping holes, they should be about 1/16 of an inch. So I don't know if you can see, but I drilled one there. It's 1/16 of an inch, and I drilled one up in there. So we want it to be able to drain out just a little bit of water. So I think what happened here is we just had a freeze, and so obviously there might be some condensation in the drain. Past couple of weeks we had a freeze, and so I think what's happening is the ice was just melting, and of course it's coming here into the vent. So, but we're back at 120, which is our preset temperature after we reset everything. So now I'm going to go give it a shot, see if we get some hot water. All right, success. Hot water. Oh, no more of this, please.